Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create this really lovely soft wave. So you do not need any products, any heating styling tools. All you need is hair ties. And I think I used 3 or 4 on each side. I literally just took them out and I can't even remember. Maybe 3. You'll see in like 2 minutes. And I started with my hair relatively damp. I just kind of like sprayed a bit of water in each side. If you don't have a water spray, that's absolutely fine. Just go into the sink, get your hands wet and like scrunch the water into your hair. Don't really need to go from root to tip, just sort of like all the way through, just a little bit of dampness. So yeah, I thought I would give this a go. And it was mostly inspired by my Kim Kardashian bubble braid tutorial on how to get that Kim K look. So go and check that out as well, because when I took my hair out of those bubbles, my hair was like wavy. It was like really like wiggly. It's gorgeous. So I thought, could I recreate that with bigger bubbles and would it create like an S-shaped wave? And to be honest, I'm pretty happy with what it's done. It's kind of like having it in a plait, but it looks a bit softer, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm super happy with it, and I will show you how I did it now. So we're gonna start with profile parting from center forehead all the way to center nape, and you're gonna section the side that you're not gonna use first out of the way. So I've just done that with a hair scrunchie. With a spray bottle, I went through and just sprayed through this side. So it's pretty much still dry. There's just a little bit of dampness in certain areas, which is absolutely fine. So it's really straightforward what we're gonna do. We're just gonna imagine this part of our hair in like 2 different sections. So you're gonna take your whole section of hair and part it completely in half, making sure that as you take your finger, it goes all the way back and meets the profile parting. So you don't want to tie it too tight, but you want to tie it tight enough so that it sort of stays in that place. But because you're going to be sleeping with this, obviously you don't want it to sort of like really ache and pull. Just keep those sections as clean as possible by just pulling this hair down and go in again with the bubble. So I'm probably just going to do 3 twists. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Don't want it too tight. So now that we've put in our first bubble, we're going to take the rest of the hair and incorporate that into one ponytail. So take a bubble and tie all of the hair with the next hair bubble. Okay, now we have 2 hair bubbles in here. We're gonna go in and pull that first bubble out. Should probably stop saying bubble and bubble because they sound a bit similar. So we're gonna go in and do the first bubble by pulling this one out, just to create that nice round bubble effect. You can tighten it again at the scrunchie, however you want to do it. So I'm quite happy with that first bubble. I'm now going to go in again with another hair tie a bit lower and put in another bubble. So I'm happy with that position. So now I'm going to go in again with my fingers and just pull that hair out above the hair tie, just to create that bubble effect. Also, I want to put a little disclaimer out. I've actually never tried this. So I'm gonna come on here tomorrow morning anyway and show you guys what's happened. And I'm gonna post it even if it's a complete disaster, because you know, that's reality. And I think it'll be funny. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm really happy with that one as well. So I'm gonna do another one below that. And again, exactly the same technique. We're just gonna go in and create that bubble effect. So in my mind, what I'm thinking is gonna happen when I take these out in the morning is that I'm gonna have this sort of like really like S-shaped wave. Do you see what I mean? It's probably gonna look nothing like that, but I think it's worth a try. Yeah, I'm gonna put one more in here, but I don't, should I? What should I do? Maybe what I'll do is I'll pull this one down slightly. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pull that one down slightly and then just make that one really big and bubbly. Okay, I'm quite happy with that so far. So cute, oh my God. So I'm gonna whiz through this side because you guys probably don't wanna sit and watch me do it. So I will be back in literally 1 second with this side completely done. Also, feel like I should probably tell you guys that I have absolutely no products in my hair. I haven't really prepped my hair with anything, and now I'm thinking maybe I should have, but it's not really my style, so I'm just gonna go au naturel and hope it's not a complete disaster. And you know what, maybe if it is a complete disaster, then I'll do it another time with some products in. So I am back and I have done both of the bubble braids on both sides all the way through, no hair hanging down. I'm gonna sleep with this in tonight and I'll come back first thing in the morning and you guys will see the final result. Super easy, and I'm hoping to create bubble waves with these little beauties. So it is the next morning and I have slept with these in all night, and I'm gonna take them out now and see if they have created a nice wave. So I'm just gonna start at the bottom. Doesn't look too bad. There we go. Okay, slight wave. Ooh. It is very wavy. Let's do this side. So I'm probably gonna put like a bit of argan oil in it just to like really soften it up and give it a nice shine. One more left. Just gliding out the hair. Okay, so that is the finished result so far, which looks beautiful. I'm actually really happy with that. So I'm gonna put some of my True Soft Argan Oil, which is a Maria Neela product. So I'm just gonna put a couple of pumps in my hand and then work it through, mostly through the ends, but I'm gonna work it through a bit. And also where we've sort of like slept with it in a center parting down the back, it does sort of feel like there's quite a strong part there at the moment. So with my hands, I'm just gonna sort of shape the areas where it would have been sitting just to try and get a bit more body and volume. So we'll do the same at the top because it's been in a center parting all night. Ooh. Absolutely love that. It's like a really natural sort of, it's kind of like a plait wave, but it's just a bit different. It was really comfortable to sleep in as well, so I would say I didn't have any problems with that. Just slept normally. I kind of like tucked the first bunch a little bit behind my ear so it sort of sat a bit better. Yeah, I think that looks really cute. It's just a really easy way to get a bit of body in your hair without without having to sort of like wave it or curl it. Okay, cool. So I guess if you wanted a tighter crimp, you could put more hair ties in and put them like closer together, and then you'd get like a real sort of like zigzag, because you can see it has kind of given it like a zigzaggy, crimpy wave, which I really like. I'm super enjoying that. So yeah, really happy with it actually. I'm definitely gonna do this more often, and yeah, absolutely love it. So that super easy technique creates these gorgeous waves. Literally took me 5 minutes to put it in last night before bed. It was super comfy to sleep in, and I would definitely recommend you do it if you don't want to use any heat or any nasty products on your hair. It's just going to give you loads of texture and definition in those waves, and it's just super glorious, and I think you guys are gonna love it. So hit me up in the comments below if you're gonna try this, if you already have tried it, and how you get on with it. I would love to know. I would love to see all your pictures and everything. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you like this little tutorial. Bye.